How to fix options grayed out in Excel. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll address on how to resolve the issues of grayed out options in Excel, which prevents you from using the formatting features. So in this worksheet, you can see that many options are typically available for use and are accessible. But if it's inaccessible in your Excel, follow the steps. First of all, go to the File menu in the top left corner of the screen and then click on the options available. That is the last option. Tap on it. Now select the Advanced category, that is between the Language and Customize ribbon option. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find the Display section. And in the Display section, look for the option labeled as Display Hardware Graphics Acceleration. If this box is checked, uncheck it, and then click on OK and apply the changes. This should enable all previously grayed out options, allowing you to use them freely, such as inserting tables or applying formatting. And if after completing these steps the options remain grayed out, simply restart the Excel and this should become accessible. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.